guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. I'm so delighted that you guys are here with me today. And my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. I'm honored. Guys, today I am making pineapple upside down cake. I know it's a favorite of so many, including my late sister Natalie. I'm making this cake today because today is the anniversary of my sister passing. I know some of you are aware I spoke about my sister and her passing. Today, September 8th, is the anniversary of my sister passing away from ovarian cancer. She always makes pineapple upside down cake. It's her favorite cake to make. So I decided, in honor of my sister Natalie, to make pineapple upside down cake today. There's not a day go by that I don't miss my beautiful beloved sister Natalie. She was taken away from us too soon, so suddenly. And she's not here. Part of me is gone. She was my other half. We were babies together. We've shared so many memories that I don't have anyone else that I share those memories with but her. She and I used to get on the phone and reminisce, whether we're voice talking to each other or we're video calling, and we'll reminisce about the good old days. I didn't know that my sister would have been gone so soon, so young. She will never grow old. She'll never have grandchildren. All of those is gone because cancer take her away. So in honor of my sister Natalie, to celebrate the short time she was here on earth today, I want to make her favorite cake, pineapple upside down cake. So let me go ahead and show you all my ingredients. So here are all my ingredients. Of course, you cannot make pineapple without your cherries, right? And you cannot make without your sliced pineapples, which I'll be using in 3 eggs because I'm using my Super Moist yellow cake mix. And at the back here, it's simple show you that you use 3 eggs and you use half cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of water, which I have everything right here. This is it's very easy to make this pineapple cake because the ingredients are just right here that you use. However, if you want to go old-fashioned, you could just get your flour and whether you use a baking flour or you can use this all-purpose, which I prefer all-purpose flour when I go old-fashioned. Just sip your all-purpose flour and add everything in it, and you get your pineapple upside down cake. Super easy to make and not to mention tasty, delicious. going to take off the baking tin of this on the parchment paper just to see how my cake turned out. This cake, you can eat it warm, you can eat it cold. You can drink it with some milk or just some water. I chose water because this is already sweet. I used a parchment paper just because my baking tin here is one of these baking tins where you can open here and take it off. So for that, I didn't want the butter and with the sugar to melt out in the oven, you know, so all clean. And voila! Beautiful! It's so pretty. It's like, I don't want to eat it. I just want to let it stay there. But as usual, I will cut a slice and taste it. Now, remember this is all sweet and we are all about healthy lifestyle. But when you're eating pastries, which I love pastries, make sure you eat everything in moderation. So a slice of cake today you do not need anymore. Matter of fact, I'm going to make sure that I cut up a couple slices and take it to both of my neighbors. So that way I won't have much feedback because yes, I love pastry, but pastry does not love me. Yeah. Slice. This looks so pretty, so now I'm going to taste it. Oh, this is so tasty. Okay, so I'm not gonna spend all day eating pastry because I'm guilty of doing that. This is why I stay away from making pastry, but this calls for a special occasion to just make this cake in honor of my sister because it's her favorite cake. So remember guys, drink lots of water if you're eating this cake, which I hope you do, and if you make it, let me know. Drink a lot of water. All the ingredients will be in my description box. And exercise and sleep well and think only good thoughts and love your neighbors as yourself. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. And ladies, remember when you go to the doctor to do your yearly pap smear or mammogram, ask for an ultrasound just to make sure that there's nothing hiding in there, not supposed to be there. And guys, remember to leave me a comment below, and if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you have time, which I hope you do. And share my videos and check me out on Instagram and Twitter, and please like All Loves with Hair and Facebook, and I'll see you soon.